Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy new year to you all. Today video is gonna be a different tutorial. This is a bob braided wig. I started by crocheting the hair, the braiding hair into the wig cap. I have so many tutorials on braided wig. In case you are a beginner and you want to start making your own braided wig, go back to my previous videos. I have a lot of tutorials. The next thing I did was I crocheted the hair on the wig cap, and when I crochet like the base, I use it at the base like your natural hair. After I finish crocheting it, I then use the braiding hair to start braiding our normal boss braid. At the end of the boss braid, where I want my boss braid to stop, depending on the length, I tie a knot because I'm still gonna burn out the end because I'm doing a bob braided wig. Okay, just watch, you will see what I'm doing. After I finish doing the boss braid at the back, because the front is gonna be like a fitting cornrow, I then sew in my wig, my closure. I did that off camera because I don't want the video to be lengthy. So after sewing the closure on my wig cap, I have a lot of tutorials you can go back to if you want to know how to sew your closure on your wig cap and you want to know do it smoothly and it look like a pro. After that, I go ahead to start doing my colorization of the hair, the closure into three places, into three parts. And one part is gonna go one side on the right hand side, and the other part is gonna go on the left hand side, and the ones remaining will go back. So I think the video is self-explanatory. Just keep watching, you will get what I mean. Literally, if you finish sectioning the hair, every other thing is not gonna take time. As you can see on the video, you see the one I'm doing on the screen. Every other thing, the hair remaining is gonna go backwards. After that, because you are doing a bob braided wig, you're gonna burn out the end. Make sure that the end is gonna be equal. And if your own braided wig is not like bob, you go ahead to dip the end in hot water and apply your mousse and other things, and the hair is ready to rock. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I don't miss any of my upload. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.